The 2025 Morgan Supersport represents a new chapter in the storied history of Morgan Motor Company. Known for its dedication to hand-built craftsmanship, retro-inspired aesthetics, and lightweight performance, Morgan has taken a bold leap forward with this latest model, blending the finest elements of tradition with a renewed focus on modern engineering and performance. The Supersport is not merely a reimagining of past Morgans, it's a carefully honed machine built for driving enthusiasts who appreciate both the romance of classic motoring and the exhilaration of cutting-edge performance. Built upon the company's CX generation bonded aluminium platform, which underpins other Morgan models like the Plus 4 and Plus 6, the Supersport is the most performance-oriented road car Morgan has ever created. At its core lies a BMW-sourced 3.0-litre turbocharged inline-6 engine. This engine is no stranger to power and versatility. It's the same basic unit found in performance icons like the BMW Z4 M40i and Toyota's Supra. Tuned specifically for the Supersport's lightweight construction and rear-wheel drive configuration, the power plant produces 335 horsepower and 369 pounds-to-feet of torque. When paired with the proven 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, it enables the Supersport to sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. These figures place it comfortably among other high-end performance vehicles while maintaining a uniquely analog and mechanical character. What makes the Morgan Supersport distinct, however, is not just its acceleration or output, it's the way in which it delivers that power. Weighing only around 1,170 kilograms, approximately 2,579 pounds, thanks to its lightweight aluminium chassis and handcrafted aluminium bodywork over an ashwood frame, the Supersport offers an incredibly engaging driving experience. The responsiveness is immediate, the feedback is intimate, and the connection between driver and machine is unusually visceral for a modern car. In an era where performance is often filtered through layers of electronics, Morgan's latest creation offers purity. It's a driver's car in the truest sense. The design of the Supersport is where tradition meets evolution. From a distance, its long bonnet, short rear overhang, and low stance unmistakably echo the roadsters of Morgan's past. The flowing fenders and minimalist cabin silhouette remain as iconic as ever, but a closer inspection reveals modernity in the detailing: LED lighting, subtly integrated aerodynamic elements, and a strikingly proportioned body that manages to appear vintage and futuristic at once. Customers can choose between a carbon fiber hardtop, emphasizing its performance focus, or a mohair soft top that leans into its open-air motoring heritage. Step inside the cabin, and the blend of eras continues. Analog gauges and toggle switches dominate the driver's view, preserving a tactile feel reminiscent of British sports cars from the mid-20th century. Yet, embedded within this nostalgic environment are discrete touches of modernity. The Supersport features a digital information display subtly placed behind the wheel, offering customizable readouts without disrupting the cabin's vintage aesthetic. Optional materials include premium leathers, natural wood veneers, and brushed aluminium trim pieces that together form a cabin both elegant and focused. For those who want a touch of tech without compromising on tradition, the Supersport can be equipped with a bespoke Sennheiser audio system, delivering audiophile-grade sound without overwhelming the space. The chassis and suspension geometry are dialed in to provide a confident and agile ride. With its rear-wheel drive layout, limited slip differential, and near-perfect weight distribution, the Supersport excels in dynamic conditions. An available dynamic handling pack adds adjustable nitron dampers and upgraded anti-roll bars, allowing owners to tailor the handling characteristics to their preferred driving style. Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires come standard, ensuring maximum grip whether you're carving through tight corners or cruising across open countryside. Steering is hydraulically assisted, offering more direct feel than electric systems and further enhancing the intimate connection between driver and road. Despite its high-performance credentials, The 2025 Morgan Supersport hasn't forgotten the practical realities of modern motoring. The car returns an estimated 36.8 miles per gallon under European WLTP standards and emits just 175 grams/km of CO. Impressive figures for a vehicle offering this level of performance. These efficiencies are aided by the relatively low curb weight and aerodynamic improvements over previous generations. Additionally, the Supersport's drivability makes it suitable not only for spirited weekend drives but for longer tours and even daily usability for the dedicated enthusiast. A key part of Morgan's approach with the Supersport is the attention to personalization. As with every Morgan, each vehicle is hand-assembled at the company's factory in Malvern, Worcestershire. Buyers work closely with the brand to specify their car, selecting exterior paint, upholstery, trimmed materials, and additional options to make each Supersport a reflection of its owner. This artisanal approach ensures that no two Supersports are alike and adds to the allure of owning something rare and entirely bespoke. Morgan has also designed the Supersport with sustainability in mind, incorporating processes and materials that reduce the vehicle's environmental impact. The use of responsibly sourced wood for the frame, recyclable aluminium for the body, and modern production techniques allows the Supersport to occupy a unique space here where legacy meets responsibility. In an age where the automotive industry is shifting rapidly toward electrification, Morgan remains focused on crafting internal combustion cars that are both efficient and emotionally resonant. What sets the Morgan Supersport apart is its unwavering dedication to the tactile and the timeless. It isn't chasing lap times or overloaded with technology for the sake of it. Instead, it offers a distilled driving experience here: lightweight, agile, quick, and soul-stirring. The engine note is mechanical and evocative. The steering is communicative. The build is intimate. It's a celebration of everything that makes sports cars so beloved, presented in a package that still meets the demands of contemporary motoring. With a starting price of around £102,000 in the UK and limited production capacity, the Morgan Supersport is not a car for the masses, it's a car for the enthusiast who values craftsmanship, character, and authenticity. It stands in contrast to mass-produced luxury sports cars by offering something more personal and evocative. It's not just transportation, it's an experience, a piece of rolling art that connects its driver to over a century of automotive heritage. As Morgan looks to the future, the Supersport signals a continued commitment to producing unique, hand-built vehicles in a world increasingly dominated by automation and uniformity. It serves as a reminder that even in the modern automotive landscape, there is still room for cars that speak directly to the heart. The 2025 Morgan Supersport is more than just a new model, it's a reaffirmation of what driving can and should be. For those fortunate enough to own one, it promises not just speed and style, but a deeply personal connection to the road and the mark itself.